It was a big game, big win Saturday night, a long flight. How are you feeling? How are the legs? Are you ready for this 90 minutes?
Yeah, no, I'm ready. Obviously, hadn't played in 4 weeks, so it was important to get 60 minutes into my legs, get some match kind of sharpness. And we spoke at the start of the week about trying to get 60 minutes and hopefully being a couple up before I come off. So it worked out well, no problems, and I'm ready to go for Tuesday now.
Nagy győzelem volt legutóbb, hosszú volt a hazaút hazafelé. Készen állsz-e? Hogy van a lábad? Azt mondja, hogy készen állok, ugye fontos volt, hogy beugorjak, mert 4 hete nem játszottam már, ezért ez a 60 perc nagyon fontos volt. Jól vagyok, és készen állok.
You're one win away from qualifying for a major finals. Of course, you were part of the side that broke years of history and made it to Euro 2016. Does this mean as much now you got over that hoodoo? Or does the disappointment of missing out on the World Cup mean this is just the desperation is just as much?
I think we can use both of them to our advantage. Obviously, we've got the kind of euphoria of qualifying for the first Euros and doing so well at the competition that we really want to do that again. But obviously, we've got the negatives of we know how it feels to miss out on qualifying for a tournament like we did in the World Cup. So we're going to use both of them to our advantage, look at our experience, what we've gone through, and we know deep down we don't want to be feeling like we did after the Ireland game, and we want to be feeling like we did after the last Andorra game. So we'll be using all our experience tomorrow to try and navigate our way through, and we'll be giving 100% like we always do to try and win the game.
Egy győzelem választál titeket attól, hogy kiussatok. Mi a fontosabb, a 2016-os dicsőség és a pozitív emlékek, vagy pedig a világbajnokságból fakadó csalódás? Azt mondja, hogy mind a kettő fontos. 16-ban nagyon jók voltunk, ezt próbáljuk megismételni, mind a kettőből lehet meríteni.
You're one of the old men of the squad these days. A lot of the younger players coming through would have been kids watching you at Euro 2016. Have you had to impress the significance of this? They think qualification challenges come around all the time.
No, we haven't actually spoken too much. I think we did at the start of the campaign. The manager was saying if any of the youngsters want to speak to us older boys, how we kind of went about qualifying, the experiences we had, and stuff like that, to try and give them some knowledge about it, obviously, which we have done. But we haven't spoken about it too much. We kind of just try to take each game as it comes, and I'm sure come tomorrow's game we'll be speaking with the more inexperienced guys and just giving them some kind of words of wisdom, and just kind of giving our experience to come to the forefront, and because we know how to do it, we've done it before, we know how to do it. So we know it's going to be a big game, but we're going to have to use all our experience and all our footballing ability to get through.
A kérdés ismét a korosztályokra vonatkozott, öregek és fiatalok. Ő az egyik nagy öreg most a csapatban. Ugye gyerekként még nézhették őt azok, akik most debütálnak, 16-ban ők láthatták. És azt mondja, hogy erről nem igazán volt szó, az elején talán, hogy elindult a selejtező sorozat, volt erről szó, de azóta nem nagyon beszéltek erről, minden meccset külön kell kezelni. Viszont most a holnapi meccs előtt pár percet mindenképp fog velük beszélgetni, az idősebbek a tapasztalatról, ez átlendítheti őket.
A sellout crowd is going to be a special atmosphere, hopefully for a very special night. What is your message to that red wall, and what do you think of their new song?
I think we want the Welsh fans to be the same as always, to be supporting us, to sing, to be the 12th man, to do what they always do. We always appreciate their support every game, and even in long away trips to Baku, they're there in their thousands. So we'll obviously be trying our best. We'll be working hard to keep them happy and to give them as much to cheer about as we can. And the most important thing is we concentrate to try and win the game as well.
Thanks, Gareth. Best of luck.
Teltház van holnap, és nagyon speciális, különleges meccs lesz. Mire számít a szurkolóktól, és egyáltalán mi az üzenete nekik, mi a véleménye az új dalról. Az új dalt illetően nem mondott semmit, de a szurkolóktól ugyanazt várja, mint mindig, hogy támogassák a csapatot, legyen a 12. játékos, Bakuba is ezrek jöttek el, és ezért nagyon hálás.
Hi Gareth. It's been a bit of a bumpy road for the Welsh team this season in terms of performances. How pleased are you as a player and captain that we're in a position now where Wales could qualify for a Euros automatically?
Yeah, no, of course. We know it's been a bit of a kind of up and down campaign, but it's always better to start a bit worse because you've got time to resurrect things. So, but the most important thing now, we're since our last loss to Hungary, we haven't lost. We've been on that upwards trajectory. So yeah, the confidence there, the football's really good, and yeah, we just have to keep riding that wave. And we know how big a game it is come Tuesday, but we'll be ready and ready to give a big performance.
Obviously, you've been that young player. Oh, sorry.
Eddig elég döcögös volt az út, de hogy érzed úgy, hogy most kapitányként kijuthattok ismét, és azt mondja, hogy jobb az elején döcögősen kezdeni, mert abból lehet föltámadni, magyarországi vereség óta pedig egyszerűen veszítettek, és készen állnak.
Obviously, you've been that young player coming through, but how impressed are you about the youngsters that keep on, proving huge performances for Wales, like Joe Morrell, for example? It's League One, it's Championship, Premiership. It just goes on, doesn't it? And we keep performing well.
Yeah, no, of course. Yeah, the youngsters have come in and done really well. I think we've got a good mix of experience and youth in the team, which is important. And yeah, it's important that they step up to the plate as well, which they have been. And yeah, obviously now come a big game on Tuesday, we need to use our experience as the older players to help the youngsters to come through it.
Morelle vonatkozóan a kérdés, hogy a fiatalok milyen jól szálltak be eddig a játékba, és megerősít, hogy igen, ez nagyon fontos, és megismételti, az öregek megint segíthetnek a fiataloknak.
Obviously, the last Euros was a huge kind of occasion for Wales, but there's expectation on this group. In terms of your career so far, where would it stand if it is a positive result tomorrow and you qualify?
Yeah, no, I'll be right up there yet again. Experience qualifying for the Euros last time was obviously massive and something we'd never done before, and yeah, to do it again, maybe it might be a bit more impressive, but yeah, it's going to stand in equal stead as last time, but yeah, we can't think about that just yet. We know we have an important match first, and yeah, we have to focus on that as a team and as a squad first.
16-ra vonatkozóan, amikor kijutottak, nagyon jól teljesítettek. Egy mostani pozitív eredmény mit jelentene neki? Hát az fantasztikus lenne, hiszen akkor is fantasztikus volt, mert elsőnek jutottunk ki. Ha ezt most megismételnénk, az még szebb lenne, de még előttünk egy nagyon fontos meccs, ezért korai erről beszélni.
Gareth, can you talk to us about Kiefer Moore? He's come from absolutely nowhere. He seems to have changed the game for you guys.
Yeah, no, he's come in and done a fantastic job. I think he's kind of that out ball for us now, where we know somebody can hold the ball up and we can play off him. So yeah, we have more options, which is always good for us as a squad and as a team. So yeah, but he's done fantastic since he's come in. He's worked really hard, got some important goals for us, and yeah, hopefully he can carry on that vein of form, and yeah, we can qualify.
Móra vonatkozóan a kérdés, hogy semmiből jött, és nagyon meglepő, hogy ilyen jó teljesítményt nyújt. Igen, azt mondja, hogy fantasztikus, hogy játszik, és így ez csak jobb a csapatnak, mert több lehetőség van, lehet váltogatni a játékosokat, és be lehet vetni őt is.
Gareth, you said that you don't want to be feeling like after that Ireland game again. Can you describe what the emotions were like for you and the senior players in the dressing room after that game?
Yeah, no, of course. It was, they weren't scenes that we wanted to be a part of, but I think looking back on now, we can use that as a positive. We can see how we don't want to feel after the game, so we know prior to this game we can really push and make sure we try not to feel like that again, because it's not a feeling that you want in the dressing room after a game.
A kérdés az írmeccs utáni, a vereség utáni öltözői hangulatra vonatkozott, azt mondta, hogy most már pozitívan tudnak rátekinteni, de akkor nem akartak ott lenni, és nem akarnak ismét ott lenni, ezért nyomni kell, hogy ne ismétlődjön meg az öltözői hangulat.
Gareth, in Budapest you missed a great chance. Do you owe Hungary one tomorrow?
Ideally, but yeah, no, of course it was a chance that I would have liked to have taken, but yeah, these things happen in football, but yeah, I've kind of forgotten about that now, and it's just about tomorrow's game, and yeah, if I have a chance, hopefully I can stick it away and to win the game.
A kérdés a budapesti elvesztett meccsre vonatkozott, hogy ez egy mennyire elvesztegetett lehetőség volt. Azt mondja, hogy igen, az volt, jó lett volna ott nyerni, de ezt már is felejtette, inkább a holnapi meccsre gondol.
Gareth, we've just spoken to Ryan Giggs, who said everyone in the squad is available to start the game tomorrow. How big a boost is that? Of course, Aaron Ramsey coming on off the bench at the weekend, Joe Allen back from suspension as well.
Yeah, no, of course, it's a big positive for us. I think a lot of squads we've always had a few problems, but now come to the big game, everyone's ready, fresh, and everyone wants to start, everyone wants to play, and yeah, I suppose it's a good headache for the manager to have, and yeah, I think no matter who starts, everyone will be given 110% to try and win the game.
Mindenki készen áll, említette a Giggs az előbb, Ramsey ellen is bevethetőek, és hogy ez hogyan hat a csapatra. Mindenki pozitívan hat, nagy meccs lesz. Ugye mindenki kezdeni akar, ezért ez fejtörést okozhat a mesternek, de akire a választás esik, az biztos, hogy 110%-ot fog nyújtani.
Hi Gareth. This current team, it seems they've got so many attacking threats. You know, we think of Dan James, Harry Wilson, etc., Kiefer Moore. Is there perhaps a little less pressure on your shoulders in this campaign and even this game? I know no one will be trying harder than you to get the team to the finals, but that previous campaign when you did make it, you seem to be weighing up with all the goals and assists. Yet it must be quite nice that perhaps all that burden isn't on you.
Yeah, I think maybe now we've got more attacking options, which is good, and yeah, I don't really feel the pressure too much, to be honest. But yeah, whenever I play, I try to just give 100%, whether I'm scoring or just trying to defend in any type of way. Whatever I do, I try to help the team, and if I manage to score more goals than others, then good. If I don't, then hopefully someone else is scoring them. So for me personally, I just try and do the best for the team, and whether I score or not, as long as we win, I think as I've always said, that's the most important thing, and to qualify will be the big goal. And yeah, you can't qualify with one player, so yeah, it's a big team effort, but yeah, it's good that we're all chipping in and working for each other.
A támadójátékra vonatkozóan, ugye itt van James és Moore. Úgy tűnik talán, hogy korábban nagyobb volt a teher rajta, mert egyedül kellett termelni a gólokat, most pedig ez mintha ez a teher eltűnt volna, és azt mondja, igen, több támadó van, nem érzem a terhet, 100%-ot nyújtok mindig, függetlenül attól, hogy védekezek vagy támadok, ha gólt lövök, az jó, ha nem, az se baj, nyilván jó lenne, ha én lenném a fontos gólt, de szerencsére nem egy játékoson múlik minden.
Thank you.